Hi, this is Rob Cavanaugh with Guarantee RV in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to introduce you to this 2020 Winnebago Forza, the model number 38D. Great colors, it's like new, very low miles, lots of great things in here. Let's go have a look inside. Okay, now that we're inside from front to rear, as you look forward, you got first off this really nice size drop down bed. So you can, it's great for kids or guests or whatever. You could put storage up there. Up front, these Forzas, they come with the 340 Cummins engine, Allison transmission, and it's on the Freightliner chassis. 10,000 pound tow capacity. As you can see from the dash here, everything is modern, it's up to date. As we move back, you can see a nice size residential refrigerator, solid surface Corian countertops, microwave, stove, really nice colors here, very subtle, lots of storage space. You got a really nice booth here, and look at this. You got theater seating right here to look at a 50-inch TV. I mean, how nice is that? And to add to that ambiance, you got a little fire stove here, electric gas or electric stove. As you move back, look at that. You got a desk with some drawers. Very nice there. Very nice sized bathroom with lots of light, glass shower doors. And as you move back into the bathroom area, you got a nice walk-around queen size bed. Lots of storage slash counter space or cabinet space here. Full-size mirror. And this particular model has the option of the washer and dryer and a second full-size bathroom in the back. Very nice for families or just couples who are traveling full-time. The Forza is a nice diesel pusher. It's kind of the entry-level diesel pusher, so it's very affordable for a diesel pusher. This one is a 2020. It really does show like new, very low miles. Again, Rob Cavanaugh here. My information is right here. You just ask for me if you would like to come see this Forza or any other RV out here at Guarantee RV. It's beautiful. Come on out.